Hey there, going in for demonstration project number 2. For this one I'm going to do problem 7.2.19. So here it says the following table lists footprint length in centimeters and height in centimeters of 10 subjects, including both men and women. Complete parts A through D below. A is use either a scatter plot or a formula to the linear correlation coefficient to determine whether there is a correlation between the two variables. Alright, so you have the footprint length here and you have the height here, and I'm going to click on this here. I'm going to click on Open in StatCrunch. And head over to Graph, Scatter Plot, X variable, which is going to be height, Y variable, footprint length, compute. You see that there, here. So there is a strong positive correlation between the variables. Alright? And then the first 5 subjects are all males and the last 5 are females. For the males, use either a scatter plot or a formula for the linear correlation coefficient to determine whether there is a correlation between the two variables. Alright, so in order to do that, I'm just going to close that out here. And what it says, the first 5 subjects are males, so I just need to delete the last 5. That way we just have these, and then go over to Graph again, scatter plot, height, footprint length again, compute. So you can see there's still a strong positive correlation there. Alright, and then it says the first 5 subjects are all male and the last 5 are females. For the females, use either a scatter plot. So same deal with this. So I'm just going to go back here. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to push Control Z to undo what I deleted, and then I'm going to delete all of this here. So we have the last 5. Go back to the scatter plot, height, footprint length, hit compute, and as you can see there's definitely a difference there. So this is going to be a weak negative correlation between the two variables. And then D, do the preceding results make sense? No, because it does not make sense that there is a positive correlation overall, but a positive correlation for males and a negative correlation for females. That doesn't make sense at all. And so, alright. And that concludes the project.